Hello folks, this is Crazy Sage and today I'm going to show you how to create your own Gmail account. Before we start, I will want you to know that you will need to have an email ID because Google requires you to have an email ID for verification. So if you don't have one and if your family members have one, you can use that for now, friends, family members, and once you set up your accounts, then you can change it. But keep in mind that you will require one before you start. For today, I'm going to be using Firefox to create, to obviously browse the internet. You have other choices also like Chrome and Internet Explorer. I'm not a big fan of Internet Explorer myself, but I like Firefox and Chrome. Well, it's your choice at the end of the day. For today I'm going to open up Firefox and use that. Okay, so first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to go to gmail.com. that is where your mail will be, and make sure you have a user ID in mind as to what you want to call yourself. So if you have an email ID and password, you just have to type in your email ID and password and sign up. You can either choose to stay signed in. Okay, now if you want a Gmail account and you create one, you get access to all of these stuff. This is the Google search logo, this is the Gmail logo. You can get access to their Google Drive. You can log into YouTube and leave comments, create your own channel. You can log into their Google Maps and save your favorite places. You also get access to their amazing Google App Store. Plus you get your own profile in Google Plus. So all fantastic things. So it's a good thing to have a Gmail account. I'm going to show you how to create an account now. I'm going to assume you know basic typing, reading, or website skills because I don't want to go into that. There are videos out there you can check out if you don't know how to go through a website or click link and all that stuff, right? Okay, stop ranting, Swiki. Moving on. You come onto this form where you need to create a Google account. You will need your first name and last name. I'm going to put my name as Crazy and Sage. Crazy Sage test1@gmail.com. I'm going to give it a very good password. Keep in mind, password and security, very, very important. Don't take it lightly. Remember your password. Don't write it down. Don't share it with people. It's just the more safer you are, the better. My gender, male. You can either give your mobile number or your current email address. So I'm going to give my email address at gmail.com. You get the captcha. This is I'm not able to see this. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so that's 229. My location is India. I have read the terms and privacy policies. You would want to spend some time checking it out. You would just want to open it in the new tab and just review that, because both these things are very important. How they collect your information, what do they do with it? You would better know about it than get shocked saying, hey, I didn't know they use this for this. But at the end of the day, if you've chosen this, then you have accepted that you're okay with what they will do with your information. You click on next step. If all goes well, it should get you to this page. It's going to ask you to create a public Google Plus profile. If it's the first time you're creating your email ID, I would say skip this. You can come back. There are many beautiful videos out there on YouTube you can check. I'll say no thanks. Now you've got welcome Crazy. Your new email address is this ... Now I will continue to Gmail. Yes, please. And this should give me access to my Gmail account with my welcome page. Oh yes, I already see. If you look, okay, if you look up right here, see inbox, you already have 3 emails. You can quickly go through this. It's a quick read, see what it can do. I'm not going to read this out. You can do it yourself when you log in. Please take time to understand what your email account is going to do. I am going to go to Gmail. Now there are cool things that they have, in which here they're telling you how much you're set up. You obviously created your account, so they consider that 10%. You have the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that you would need to do, which will make it 100%. I suggest you go through each of them one by one. Take your time. Okay, I need to fix that. Few things, you have the Google search bar right here, so you get access to your emails and a lot of other stuff. So you got this nice search, so you can from to subject, has the words, don't have, has attachments, beautiful things here. You have your settings, your account and your privacy settings here. Something like I would like to tell you is again about your security settings. I'm a big fan of two-step verification, so you can get that in the security page here. Right now I just set this up, it is disabled. You just need to go in there, start the setup. Is very simple. You will need verification code, which means you will put in your password, and then an SMS is sent to your phone, or a voice call is done where you're given a code. You can put in your number here and ask them to send that message or that code to you. For now I'm not going to do this, because I'm going to delete this account after I'm done with this, so I don't really care much for this. Back again to the main screen here. At any point, if you want to go to your main screen, just type in gmail.com in your browser and you should be there. Okay, I'm going to dismiss this. Now, simple things. I've shown you about how to secure yourself a little more by the two-step verification. You click on inbox, you'll know how many emails you've received. For now I'm going to close this. I'm quickly going to change my theme, so you know how to do that. You have this gear button or the settings button here. You just click on that. You can go to your themes. I would suggest you go through these settings one by one, figure out what it does, so it kind of tells you how cool your mailbox can be. For now I'm going to choose graffiti as a theme. It's asking me which city I'm in. I'm in Bangalore. Oh, I forgot the spelling of Bangalore. I will save it, and it should change my background. So you see a very nice background there. I like it. Well, it's up to you. Now you're done with that. Remember, always, if you need to create an email, you have this button here. Click on that, compose. So I'm going to send myself an email, crazysage test1@gmail.com. Hello, crazy. Testing. And if you need to put now, if you're required to do any changes to this, or you can just choose this. You can put formatting tips. You can have different stuff. I can change the color here, so let's just make it orange, give it a bold, increase the text, make it underline, put it in quotes. If I have an attachment, I can attach file if you need to. Obviously you can connect files using Drive. If I want to take a photo of myself, I could do that. A link or an emoticon. If you're on Hangouts and you know what emoticons they have, well, that's what they would have. So, and if you want to discard the draft, you can do that. There are more options. I would suggest you kind of go through this yourself. Now I'm going to send the email, and there it is sending. Your message has been sent. If you want to check out your sent email, you can go to sent mail. You can see that your email is here. I'm just quickly going to change this theme. It seems a little dark. I'm going to make it a little soft gray. And aha, there it is. So now I'm back. So you can see hello crazy testing. You can see what I just did has reached me now. All you need to do is just click below that. So let me just show you that again. I've opened the mail, so here it is. Click this and type in good show, and we are going to choose one. I don't know what this emoticon is. I'll go with this one, and I am going to send it. It is now sent, and it should come back. You see this? So you now have your latest what you sent right on top here and what was received. So you can see it's like a thread basically, you know. So that's it, folks. If you've come so far, you've set up your email address, if you've done the two-step verification, you now are as secure as you can be. You can now start talking to the world. All the best and Godspeed.